What's up, YouTubers? This is Young Savvy here with you guys. So today I'm going to show you how to clean your injectors. I got a 2009 Cobalt SS TurboCharged, and the thing is, this car's got a direct inject engine in it. So therefore, you want to clean it, and I clean it every oil change I do. So I'm going to show you guys how it's done. Today I'm going to be using a product called Seafoam Spray, and I'm going to be spraying it into the header, and that's going to go into the injectors, and it's going to be releasing a lot of smoke, and you want to have your car while you're doing this. Spray out the bottle halfway and then turn the car off, let it sit for like 10 minutes to 5, depending on what you want to do, and then just repeat the process again. So guys, we got this vacuum right here, hose, that connects to the head. I'm going to take it off, and I'm going to have someone idling so the car doesn't die, and I'm going to spray this in there.
See, you unplug the hose. Now it's dying. You're doing the bottle. You're going to do it halfway. Procedure is still running. There should be smoke coming out. There's a smoke for a jackpot.
Alright guys, so after you guys sprayed half the bottle into the header while someone was idling the car, spray half the bottle out, and then just turn off the car and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes off, and then just repeat the process, and then just drive your car and you'll be good. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe and share. You guys have a good day.
Part 3. Clear that smoke out. You have to gun it to get it out. Got the whistle going.